Gitna ng come outside. Gitna ng come outside. Just okay. Don't take over the wall. Teammate. Fucking. Walay.
Wala,
Just okay.
wala pa dismounted, okay? Here, dismounted, south.
Oh, sino ba?
Good. Good ka na, good. Okay, okay. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow.
Wala pa sir, wala pa sir.
Kapak. Take lang yan. Light defensive sa front. Give me guards sa front. Spread northwest and southeast. Defense sa front. Ditang be careful. Hold. On this ditang. Hold. Okay, thank you. So that ditang. Okay, nice good hit. Hold. Everybody on the ditang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the jump. On the ditang. Drop everything on the ditang. May come back. Go northwest. Good hit. You're killing the ditang. Hold. Now you hold. Ditangs don't go deep. Come back muna kayo. Ditangs don't go deep. Huwag kayo mag-deep. Just be parallel with me. Just hold you. Pengi naman ha. Wala tayong chariot.
Meron.
Pero hindi sa atin.
Tayo sa Alliance pala.
Mini bomb squad lang nakikita ko. Wala ko lang.
Hold.
Heavy brawl.
May second engage. Tatlo engage na natin.
Don't tag the wall. They make something. Everybody, southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The southwest shallow. Kabakpas. Defense the front. Kabakpas. Light defense. Two hit.
Kinsos lalim.
May mga brawlers. Just hold the thing.
Yun, naiwan yung ano.
Come northwest. Kahit agad. Ditang, come back mo ng mga ditang.
Ganyan po.
Hold. Keep
Please,
can
na ako
you fake
dyan
over
na.
the wall? Can you fake over the wall? Dito sa akin. Okay, that's all. Southwest, shallow again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow, boys. Southwest shallow. Kabakpas. Light defense sa front. Give me guard sa front. Defense.
Get northwest people ah.
Di mo namin.
Dito northwest.
Kite. Good.
There's still mounted.
Yeah. Just hold northwest. Hold northwest and make one. Defense up front. Kill up front. Everybody, 5 seconds. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow, boys. Southwest shallow. Good shit. Come back northwest. Fast. Give me light defenses. Guards sa front. Defense. Help my tank. Kill my tank southwest. Defense. Full defense. Di mo namin to the joke. Hold. 5 seconds, please. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southwest. May come back fast. Kill my tank. Come back muna. Ditang, come back. Fully get your heal. Come back northwest. Okay, come southwest. Walk southwest. Slowly walk southwest. TC here. Walk southwest. Ditang cross my northwest. Watch the brawl is northwest. Come southeast. Keep walking southeast. Southwest, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the choke. And defense. Ready. Defense. Full defense. And hold. Come northeast and spread. Give me mo namin inside. And spread. Come south. Huwag kami masyado mag-kite. Come southeast. Find my spot. Just find my spot. Everybody, hold the dito. Come northeast. Easy, wait, what is easy doing? Hold the everybody, southwest, on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the tanks. On the front. Okay, come back fast. Give me defense. Splendid. Get your heals. Heal inside. Just hold. We have hit. May mid na tayo sa loob natin.
Northwest mo. Nasa loob.
Come northwest. Find my crown. Give me inside. Keep the PK. Everybody on the joke. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the joke. Keep the DPS. Then hold. Go northeast a bit. Go northeast, defense. Go north. Spread north. Di mo namin si Tide. Pag nababam kayo, di mo namin si Tide. Ay, kung gusto. Spread northwest. Just spread. Keep up. Pwede ka pa. Ready lang. Everybody, keep up, pa-fake now. Pa-fake. Let's keep up. Help keep up. Everybody. Southwest, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest, on distance. Drop everything on distance. Good shit. Come northeast. Fast. Defense. Di mo namin. Come back northeast and spread. Kill the front. Help our ally. Bunker, do your thing, please. I need you to do your... Everybody, Southwest, shallow, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest, shallow, shoot. Ano to? Come back northeast. Plenty. May namatay ba sa party to? Hold. Go northeast and spread. They're pushing. Defense side. Spread. Come north a bit. Everybody. Kiss on the bush on this guy. Brawler. Everybody on the brawler. 5, Southwest, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this. On Micron. Drop everything on Micron. Oh my God, wala. Palugin na. Come north a bit.
Color nila low.
Yeah. Just hold. Everybody west, shallow. 5 on the wall. 4, 3, 2, 1. On Micron. Come northeast. Defense middle. Di mo namin. Shoot it. Come northeast. Busy minutes to kite. Kill this. Get the hill.
They're going back to their spot. They're good.
Hold.
Another blob, ah.
Yeah, hold. Kitang shot may northeast to sino blob dyan. Huli ka nyo west northeast a bit. Hold. Southwest, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest, shallow on the choke, boys. On the column. Rip down. Everybody come northeast. Don't be tripped. Come northeast.
Sa southeast yung view.
Come northwest. Find my farm. Get on the bush side. Find my
Nasa
farm.
southeast yung view.
Yeah, come northwest. Yeah, wait.
TC purpose, go south, go AC,
No, come. Go southeast. Come southeast. Dito ang my northwest.
Directly southwest of you. Minto. Pwede to.
South. Tip in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the choke. On Micron. Keep the defensive. Don't let us. Kite. Defense. Demon inside. Defense. Kill. Kill southeast. Nice one. Good hit. Ito na naman tayo southeast. Just right here. Come northwest. Ito na naman side. While you're kiting. Ito na naman side. Come northwest. Everybody. Hold your come
Go your southeast,
Kite. Spread ang kite. Everybody east. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not shallow. Micron, boys. We come back northwest. Fast. We're killing. Defense together. Defense. Mo namin si side. Don't let the brawlers inside you. Just spread. Gago, naiwan niya.
Sabi sa kita.
Spread. Come to me. Hold you.
Low engage sila, nag-full engage ako.
Engage yung alay mo out ka. Sen, ang dami namatay sa play.
Ano to?
Rift yan. In-engage yan tayo ng rift.
Come northwest. Don't trust.
Nabam yung alay ng rift. Ang dami namatay. Like more than 8. Out to mo.
Saan ka, Zen? Where are you right now?
Nasa south kami ng Terry. Nasa choke. Makiat rin sa choke.
Come northeast. Wala tayong battle mode na slow. If you die, Rigir, patay agad ng
Mahulog. Kahila ka.
Rigir.
Gago, sabi ni DC kay Claude Lola, siya kaya na-engage yun. Puta, walang namatay sa kanila. Isang engage ng rift. Gago, sobrang sakit.
Careful guys,
Who disconnected in my party? As you also.
Yozora. Ay, so line again.
careful our
Incognito.
Wait, Ren.
ready.
May one set na city.
Nabok na yung ano, Echo?
Shot and steppy.
Yeah, HO got long.
Okay,
Chua, fail nga dito, Chua. Dito ka nga sa.
CCP bomb squad, northeast mo.
May one shot kill
Careful,
na.
careful. One shot, one shot.
One shot.
Diesel is northeast, Arzan. Diesel is northeast.
Nezu, 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 Nezu.
Ano yan?
Look dito.
Hey, Arjan, let's focus on banner. Let's focus on banner.
Yeah, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest, maldito come southwest.
Zen, punta mo nga itong loot nga, Zen, muna.
Ah,
Dito sa akin. May mga ratter dito.
Namatay ako, City.
Wala na, wag na, naloot na.
Ako, kitang-kita ko yung pagkamatay niya.
Surge, takbo, Surge. 2 minutes banner. Pasok, Surge, pasok. Wala sila dito. Go.
negate din yung depth ng sangre.
Hindi. Yung mint nasa east, sila naka-engage. Yung sa east side. Namatay sila Axios din. Then yung southwest, ang nabomb doon, allies natin. Grabe yun.
May ano sila? Astral.
Yung
Sakit.
Astral
Zone.
sa-
Kami dito. Kami dito, zone.
Zone, going na sa'yo ha. One screen away.
Banta. Dismounted na si Drew. Mount up and spread. Go through the choke.
Na-GA pa sila.
Kupal talaga.
May gamit kayo sa zoning ng Jolly.
Yeah, just hold it. Come to my ping. Hold you. Everybody, counter on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this motherfucker. Palsa. And spread.
Din natin, din natin.
Hindi natin up. They just help us, but now up. Hold you. Hold John. Ditang, how many ditang do I have? Just hold the choke.
Meron na kami dyan, nakabalik na kami.
QW yung ano, tapang.
Battle mount.
Rifto, Zed. Baka hindi ka tayo.
Oh yeah. Engage na talaga tayo yan. No nap yan. Hold.
They're walking.
Defense. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. By the choke. Drop everything that we have. Everything we have. Ditang, solve them at the choke. Don't let them walk in.
Hey, 풀푸시 노스웨스트.
Go northwest. Southeast.
Defense now. Defense. Everyone on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my head now. Okay, come back inside. 우리는 아무도 안 줘.
Come back. Southwest on the gate. 5, 4,
Ang din namatay.
2, 1 on the gate, boys. Don't. I told you, don't trust them. Defense on the choke. Defense. Full defense. Give me heal. Tapos na tayo.
30 DA pa tayo. Sige.
Just hold it. I'm waiting for maybe. Ilan naman si party ko?
Kamatay na. Utang niya na eh. Kasi naman sabi ko sa Terry na eh.
Gago, kala ko sino yung pupunta sa northwest. Tatakbo pala pa northwest.
Yung sabi namin, nag-full push siya northwest.
Ano
Papasabi mo.
yung zone lang to?
Zone na yun.
Masyado tayong nag-chill to. So, tangay na nung nakakainis. Pointless nung death na.
Defense.
30 DA pa tayo.
Kill up. Defense. Ano ba yan? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just let it bump that.
1/4 na yung HP niya.
Eh, patay niya yung rip! Nice one. Hindi napatay.
Ay, natin.
Spread northeast. How many? What the hell? Spam guard runes on the tank that repairs the gate. Defense southwest. Everybody counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter fast.
Arjun nag-declare na dito sa east.
Nagbaba na sila ng banner.
Oo, nagbaba na.
Ay,
He want us to move.
Wag na. Bigay mo na si Kin. Bigay mo na si Kin.
Diesel, we need to go to waste.
Kailangan ko
They drop
Dependent na dito.
sa waste.
Ay lumipat. Hindi dito sa gali.
Defended.
Kali dependent already, Diesel, we need to go to waste. Bait them. Let them come to
Then I
Kali.
content na yun sa TC.
Kaya division ay contact, we focus on our direct Diesel.
Boss, di ka nagdala ng banner dyan?
Banner.
Inid to yan eh. Mid banner para makuha yung Terry.
Saan?
Terry natin yan.
Natin yan, natin yan.
Pwede natin yung boss.
Hindi, I mean, wala silang banner kanina. Ba't di nga yan?
Hindi focus kasi ways kasi may mabubog sila. HQ nila.
Maka-cut off kasi.
Yeah, just keep coming north, just keep coming north, just run to the terrace.
May
If
big
you're
map
late,
na scout
yeah, if you're late, you can go to the opposite side. Don't go by the main road.
I just wanted notice. Just wanted notice. Don't go, don't go.
Ah, yung basic.
If you late, don't go. If you late, don't go. If you late, don't go.
Namatay yung Wait na yan.
Sino namatay? Si Axos?
Namatay ako.
Ah,
Hindi dyan yung likod.
fucking low.
Yung mint 40 DA dito ah.
This one.
Yeah, it's pure. It's pure.
This blob in southeast is TC.
That's the fight.
Tangina, wala yung Albion live. Dapat dito siya manood.
Hindi, walang wala tala 14 nag-start sila.
Then 16 talaga.
Sabi mo kay Diesel, huwag mag-open world kasi kakanahin lang tayo.
Oo. Kulit.
Masyado tayo nag-skin mo. Tapos pinapun niya pala nun. Ayan, yun na nga. Sabi niya mo.
Wala, ano to? No nap sa kanila yan.
Kaya,
Ayan,
Mag-osin na kayo boys ha. Para di kayo makita.
Yun yung banner.
Hirap ako
Baba
dito.
ng IP.
Naka 17 ako IP. Posible ako.
Mint and Irion, put the banner.
DC, can I have Bison DC? Can I have Bison DC? Can I have Bison DC?
Southeast of Terry.
So, dito pa rin.
Mounted.
Mounted sila.
Ilan DA ng DC?
for... Ay, TC ba?
26. They're going to the blob ng Duke.
Come na dito.
Ito sila papunta.
Mint tong nandito. Sa northeast mo. Yung gusto
Diyan
mo.
no naps doon eh. Didn't kita.
Yeah, this is 1v1. But focus objective, don't district na maaga, okay?
Mint. Southeast. Ito
Touch
yung
yung
banner. Mint.
Touch the banner. They're on our southeast ha. They're on our southeast, they're fighting.
Pwede mo hindi dyan northeast mo.
We
Not
southeast.
this kind of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south. Oh my god,
Oh, nice. Then
Ito, kamis. Ito, jump everything on the game. 3, 2, 1. Jump everything on the game. Jump everything.
Backline lang to dun. Backline.
Yeah. Just keeping the back.
Zone na southeast ha. Southeast might be zone na.
Yung zone, west zone.
Southeast yan, maraming skulls.
Backline pa rin na. Nag-engage sila.
Reef is here, we're behind zone.
Hagwal.
We're behind the rift, we're behind rift.
Ito, backline ng... Behind ka lang.
Biyok mo. Biyok to, northeast mo. Biyok to, northeast mo. East mo. Biyok. As in, puro biyok to. Backline. Then rift na, napupush na sila.
Tapos dito.
Shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We hit everyone. Then focus shift, come left west. Hold, come left west.
This is the southwest mo.
Go northwest. Kitang west may southwest.
Wala, umigot.
Come northwest. Hold. Asan yung Duke?
Umisiglo yung PC ng map.
Tayo pag gusto nilang dapat.
North. Everybody. Duke south east. Natin? Where?
South side is zone right now.
East.
East side, northeast side is Buke. Southwest side is
Layo kayo. Arsen, layo kayo.
Sandwich.
Please, ganyan.
engage sila dyan, engage sila.
Come west. Keep healing, just heal. Come west. Come north. Asan yung I want to...
Nararan down yung Biyok. Pinagtutulungan. Nararan down yung Biyok. As in, nasa gitna sila ng zone ka kayo.
Madam.
Ito harapan natin ha. East side natin
Rift
bless yan.
northeast mo. Rift northeast mo. Layo kasi.
Yeah.
Mag-engage mo.
Lumayo lang kayo.
Magmamatok.
Matop. come on. Easy, we need to rush. Let them take their point.
You're going to get engaged soon.
Wala, iniwan.
10 seconds na lang yung banner, guys. 10 seconds.
Circles ako na. Balik mo na kayo. Rift clean up.
Yes, nice.
They're gonna come to us. They're gonna trap.
Yeah, come to the terry, come to the terry.
Mount up.
Come to the
I think better to live.
Pwede na to.
Hindi, kapag di mo sila binigyan ng content.
They will
Mali.
declare, they still can declare. We have 30 minutes.
Hindi, running na rin kasi yung Biok.
Hindi yung
Yung TC mga kalaban natin. Gusto nyo ba kalabanan yan?
Okay lang yun.
Better to give them content, I don't mind.
Give them
Yeah.
counter kami sa next time tayo tutulungan
Yeah.
nila. Hindi ko pa na dito yan.
Gagi.
Okay.
At sila lang ang nakalaban nila eh, gagi.
Loko,
Sino yung
pupunta
mga
ko rin
looter
yan
ko?
kasi wala sila content.
Sino mga looter ko? Sino mga looter ko? Access rate 70M na loot ko.
Kasan ka nga?
Come
Take
dito,
mo.
wall west.
Ako muna. Defensive front. Okay, habang nag-ano ka. Okay, guys. Shallow. Hold. Shallow na gate. In 3, 2, 1. Kabak na makabak. No push. Just get out of the gate. If you have no defenses, don't go. Okay ka na, Sen?
Okay na.
Oh, Sen, hold.
Everybody notice shallow. Hold, cool down, ready, notice shallow the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice shallow, we wait. Come back. Come back.
Hindi mo doon nag-engage ka.
Defense is. Holy fuck. Ethan, I think you complete good, pero...
Bayaan mo na.
Hold. Spread southwest, don't go up front. DPS first, D-tank. Stay parallel with me, and hold. Just hold. Everybody north, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall. They come back down. Defense together. Good shit, come down. Paano kayo namatay doon? Headbutt?
Sakit, masakit yan. Puro team.
Different ang rift ha.
Dabak din,
Different
nasay.
ang rift, different din ang zone. Like my own squad din ng zone. Naghintay sa side.
Nice bomb.
Nabang.
Mas malambot yung yung zone kesa sa rift.
Yeah, everybody east. Ready? Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall. Bakas. Spread lang. Ditang. Be careful. Be careful what I have 3 flanks. Light defensive north. So open. Hindi mo pa-fake ng south. Huwag ka dyan mag-keep.
They're mounting up.
Why?
I don't know.
Never said.
Binibit ata tayo, boy.
Yeah, Alliance is coming out. You just keep them constant. Coming. Spread.
Okay na.
Ayan na sila. Looking na.
Okay na.
What's my north? Rift is coming to us north. Everybody, south, shallow, on my ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside out. Defense. Give me defenses. Simula namin inside. Good shit. Kahit to the time. Pass. Ditang sold my north.
Engage yung
Ditang sold my north. Pat running ditang. Sold my north. Huwag kayo tumatakbo mga ditang. Sold my north. Everybody, come back inside. And hold.
The alliance is outside.
Everybody, notice. Walk. Please, notice, shallow. 4, 3, 2, 1. You can. Oh my god, kagaling tayo. Come back southwest. Hilapan. Oh my god, na-counter tayo dun. Labak mo, loot mo si Vic.
Una lang.
Yung pangalawa, marami ka pang loot.
Engaging ha.
Yeah. Gago, dito makakapasok. Sino yung counter pabukas? Pabukas.
Give me one moment.
Opening.
Opening.
They're looking.
Kimilokos. Everybody counter the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter the gate. Head. Good shit. Kill. Kill what you can. Good shit. Oh my god, buksan niyo ulit. Come and hold. Okay, hold. Just hold. Plenty. Give me guards in the front. We need to push it. Defense. North. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Non shallow on the golem boys. On the golem is it. Masyado na hindi talaga dito. Guard.
Dahil ako sa may gate.
Kanina, wait. Digilig. Ba't na siguro, no?
Level 30.
Full defense north. Give me heal north. Nice one. Told you. Ano? Sabihin niyo guys.
We need
Ikaw,
to
yung mga namatay na 2 beses huwag na mag-ligay. Ganun.
But just
Open the fucking
just
gate!
stay at hideout.
Open the gate!
Sino nag-close?
I-open
Alay ata.
Hindi pwede alay. Atin yan.
Atin to eh.
Compressor lang pwede magano yan.
SCTA pa tayo guys. SCTA.
Ay, zone ha. Zone sa... Watching sa...
Hindi pala ako nakapeg.
Asan zone? Asan zone?
Iadala tayo sa choke.
Gago, southwest natin yung zone. Backdoor ka, Sen.
Come northwest.
Backdoor ka.
Southeast, engaging na Sen.
Looking na sa'yo, ah.
Stop, defense out. South, shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow, on micro. Yung kabak northwest.
Nice.
Kabak northwest.
Hinihila ka niyan eh, para sabay mag-engage
Come
yung kabilang
northwest.
side.
Huwag ka mabait palabas, sir.
Tinitignan ko yung OC. Double OC kayo, then double good.
Huwag na kayo mabait. Hindi na yan siya magde-declare kahit...
Yung alay. Where's the alay? Gusto ko pagkasamahan yung alay. Dito ba yung...
Hayaan mo siya, gusto niya lumabas
Inabol nila yung yung stragglers ng Rift.
Guys, we need to give them content. If you're not giving content, we're doing bahala.
Kaya nga yun nga yung gusto ko guys. Kahit anong mangyari, alay pa rin natin yan guys. Hindi yung iwan nyo na lang kung anong gagawin natin.
Northeast allies mo, ah. Northeast allies mo.
Kaya nga hindi ko pwede iwan lang yan na para tayo mga tanga. Sila nagtawag sa TC, hindi tayo.
Engaging, bro.
Engaging. Defense, Southeast. Good defense. Everybody, hold. Ditang sa Northwest. Southeast, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast, shallow. On through. Kabak Northwest. Ditang sa Northwest. What trip.
Engaging na northeast.
Looking. Pina-follow ng Rick yung zone. No, looking kayo, southwest.
What trip lang. What trip.
Sige, looking sa'yo, ah. Engaging na.
Defense. Light defense. Hindi ko huwag ka mamamatay.
Hindi.
Yup.
Yuzura!
Good see you. Everybody counter inside, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On these titangs. Good kita, we kill the titangs.
Oh, very...
Oh, fuck, man. Spread.
Looking, ah. Looking sa'yo, ah.
Spread. Defense out.
Tayo sa SQ.
Spread. Go back. Kite.
Dito tayo binibig.
Just kite. Kite mo na. Kalong kabak.
Kung bibigyan natin sila content, hindi yung ganito, engage sila southeast tas northwest.
Kailangan natin.
Ayun, TC, tumitingin ah.
Yan na si Drew.
Engaging.
Please. Come out. Everybody northeast on Rift in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on Rift. It's Rift. Di mag-engage yung zone kasi naano sila na nandito yung zone sila. Just hold it. Hold southwest. Spread southwest. Hold southwest. Yan nasa northwest. Mga rappers.
Matters.
Keep feeling inside. Come southeast a bit. Come southeast and spread.
Unknown ang zone, ha? Unknown ang zone.
Yeah, come southeast and spread. Come southwest. Wrap around west.
Rift,
East, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East. Inside. Wait, after the direct, drop
Rift
everything
looking at
now.
you. Rift looking at you.
No, drop everything inside. Yung ditang, patayin nyo yung ditang. Come south.
Rift, papasok na Rift, ah.
Go northwest.
Zone of southwest.
They shallowed.
Ditang, south by southwest. Hold, be ready defensive. South and ditang. Peel. Good peel and hold. Defense south.
Southwest looking at you.
South, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. On my ground.
Rift northeast.
Rift southeast.
Rift northeast.
Break northeast. Defense. North. Spot my north. Defense. Don't trigger. Huwag na kayo mag-regrift. You die twice. Easy. We need to deny content to them. Oh my god, we heard so much.
Yeah,
Ang
they just...
ganda ng...
Oh, we got wipe.
Ang
Oh,
ganda ng...
defense outside. Kill my tank, please.
Oh, engaging naman sila sa choke, ha? Engaging sa choke.
Defense alive. I'm about to die.
Wala na.
Arjen,
Papatay ka natin.
coming to...
Who's coming?
Yup,
Inside. You've dali.
Yeah, there's Wings of Liberty. Party.
Ba't kasi mag-paper tayo? Ganun tayo. Alam mo, mamatay?
31.
Engaging,
Engaging.
Notice, fuck man. Tayo. Just spread. Ang lawak guys ng mapa guys. Notice on the gate. 5,
Git sila
4,
sa
3, 2, 1. Notice on the gate. Just on the gate.
They are engaging. Hindi.
Babalawin kayo guys. Ba't hindi ka nagbabalawin guys?
Magdi-declare sila sa gali. Sa gali.
Diesel. Yuk is coming to Gali.
declare lock naman.
Pamount up mo na lang. Habang may party ka pa. Pabalik mo sa loob. Mount.
Come na West. Ano bro? Ba't yan nasa? I'm put...
Ito lang bakit sila pa.
Alok.
Where's Wings of Liberty?
Ba't ni Ashe? Who the fuck?
Come first.
There's a bomb squad here called DBZ.
Yo, Samarat. Get out please. What is your gear?
One shot crossbow, kung ko nakikita yan.
Kanina pa
Wala
yan.
minor boots.
Sino yun? Sino?
Samarat.
Samarat.
Ano? Batalya ni Fergus. Come southwest.
Kahit mataan ni Serpos, dapat hindi pa rin makashooting.
There's a big blood na here, ah.
Later na.
Come notice. Sino yun?
Naka-dismount, ha?
When may crown, dismount. Come south.
Ingat, Yoro. May nakabit.
Puta.
East, my crown, 5, 4. Doon sa rally.
I kicked him out.
Walang ano dito. Ah, shit. Ang ganda ng strategy nila.
Dinibate tayo
Naka-TTP yan, pre.
Oh, pero ang nakaka-amaze lang yung organized ng yung
Hindi,
Papadyo.
ano naman yan eh. Magsasabi yan, we are engaging now. You guys can engage after. Diba?
ganda eh.
Ginagago lang tayo ng mga yan.
Ano yun, may...
Naka-coms yan.
Pero kung ganun kaya tayo, no? Ang ganda.
Anong ganun eh. Wala naman tayo ibang extra gid. Maganda lang yun.
Hindi, I mean, kung sakali, magawan natin ang ganun.
Sinong who's friends with Samarat? I only know him because like I'm allowing to stay there kasi nagano siya.
I
Okay.
think
No, pag ganyan, hindi na yan. Kasi ang rarason sa'yo,
Nikikot ko na.
Wala yata may ano eh.
Sinabi lang sa akin na I'm having fun.
Aray.
Like, what the fuck? Why are
ano?
you?
I'm having.
having fun dun sa sa laban na yun. Like
What the
literal 30, 40 sa
Ang nangyari siya niya last time, wala siyang pang-rigid, tapos ngayon, nag-rigid siya ng
Hindi naman siya nag-CBC gear po.
Hindi, nung last, di ba? Tapos ngayon magigir siya para lang maging fun.
Yeah, guys, if you have loot, okay, we go back to stepping. I think what you can do is very that we go out to the castle.
Wait lang,
Hindi mo
Arjen.
na ba?
We can still declare, ha? We still have
Yeah.
25 minutes.
Or what na? But we don't go castle.
Huwag ka na mag-outpost kasi kasi may
Huwag mo
16.
na. No,